Hey y'all, so I haven't did a hair video for y'all in a very long time. So since I was doing my hair anyways, I decided to record it and post the process for you all. I broke the section up into 3 sections because I did not want this to be a long video. So yeah, as y'all see, I just created a heart with a part and I'm making that into knotless braid, and the rest of my hair will be jumbo knotless braids. So yeah, y'all see how I literally did my whole head on my own. And I'm just pretty much about to show y'all the process. So yeah.